Hi guys, and welcome to Dashboard FX. I just wanted to let you know I've started running a competition. Now I teach Forex, I teach crypto, and in my journey I get to speak to some lovely students, and it became apparent that I have a couple of students where they don't have a lot of capital. They've gone through the basic training with me, and now they want to learn how to trade, but they've got no capital. So I'm going to head over to my WhatsApp group. Now I have set up a competition, and I've got a private WhatsApp group for my Bitcoin 10x channel, and if you haven't already signed up, go over to Bitcoin 10x. And I decided to congratulate the two guys for basically winning the competition. So I've got 110 people that I've got collectively. They all help each other out by shilling sort of tokens and getting in and out of tokens, and from there I've taught majority of the students how to get in and out of trades, and as far as I know of today, all of them are successful. Now I'm not boasting or anything like that. It is a case of I've given them what they need to know to get in and out of trades. That's it. Kept it really simple. I don't charge a lot, but out of that, two nice guys. So firstly, I've concealed the names so that their identity is protected, but for the purpose of the competition, we're going to call them Jeff and Steve. So Jeff and Steve have been given and awarded £500 each. Hello, my name's Jeff, and that gives them a chance to take some business funds, do what they like with it. They can stake, they can trade, whatever they want to. I've started off on Trust Wallet, and so far, so that you can see that there's a competition for DFX. I did it through Trust Wallet, so I've used their ramp swaps limited service, which was very slow. To be honest, I will decide not to use these again. It took 4 or 5 days to get from my account, 18th of November, and it only landed yesterday, 23rd of November. So just a word of caution if you're using ramp on Trust Wallet. That said, the first one, so transaction initiated, the first one to make a move was actually Jeff. Hello, my name's Jeff. So Jeff has decided to move the ERC20 tokens over to crypto.com and actually trade there gasless, so that there's barely any gas fees. Very wise, very sensible. So I've not told them to do that at all. It's been a decision that they made personally. Absolutely fine. And then out of this, so obviously there's been a small fluctuation in Ethereum, and there was about an £8 or £10 fee to get it over to crypto.com. So it's now sitting at £480, and let's say he makes some money out of this. So long as the initial comes back to the business, he will walk away with 50% of the profit, so to do whatever the hell he likes with. And it's just proof of the transaction that is actually sent it over. And you sold 16 Ethereum into Engine. So he's put all of the amounts, so it's actually gone into CRO and then moved it to Engine. That's absolutely fine. So it looks like he's gone all in on Engine, which is perfect. There has been quite a lot of news on Engine recently that they've got loads of legs left. They're pumping, absolutely pumping. They're in the NFT space, and it's potentially a really good time to get in and hold, especially to the end of the bull run. So that was Jeff's choice at the moment. Now there's a little bit of difficulty on Trust Wallet in moving from Ethereum over to BNB. The fees were astronomical, as people may know. So my second student, Steve, decided to move again from Trust Wallet over to crypto.com, but then send 50% back to Trust Wallet, but send it to BNB. Really clever. So you got the ETH to CRO, which was the 50% of what I sent him. So he sent 50% back. He's purchased AMP this morning, so 674 AMP, and I did notice a 32% pump. So there's a good potential that Steve has just hit a phenomenal breakout. So we're going to watch that closely. I'm just going to move AMP chart over. So this is the position that Steve has taken, which is a breakout. So fantastic, great smart move, early starter. And then a small purchase of 6.35 DERC. So we just head over to the charts. DERC. Little known projects. I don't know much about this, so let's have a quick look. So DERC, trading view, not available. Let's stick the candles on. So it has taken a position at the top of the trends, but may have seen something of value in there. I'm not sure. Let's have a quick look at DEC. So read more. D-Race is a virtual NFT horse racing universe built on the blockchain powered by DERC. D-Race is a complete horse racing ecosystem where you can participate in horse races, breed NFT horses and unique characteristics, build your own NFT hippodrome and make profit while doing it. So it is a potential that Steve has bought this as a potential hodl again to the end of the bull run. So if you want to see how Jeff and Steve do, hit subscribe, like the video so that I know to post more videos on this. I will, they're actually keeping track of their own purchases and sending them to me just so that I can do these videos. So guys, yeah, if you want to know how Jeff and Steve are doing, hit me up, leave comments. You can choose one if you want to cheer one on. If you want to go cheer for Jeff, pop Jeff in the description. If you want to cheer for Steve in the description. Guys, look forward to the next video. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye bye.